Welcome. In this video, I'll show you two ways to withdraw USDT from Binance. All right. So first one is by transferring it to another wallet, okay, or crypto wallet. And the second one is withdrawing it straight up to your bank account. Okay. So first one, go ahead and go to the top right, hover over your wallet, click on overview. Okay. So what we're going to do is just click on withdraw right here. Make sure that you select USDT, withdraw. Now select the coin again, USDT. Now just enter the address from your other wallet and also select the correct network. Okay, for example, Tron. Make sure that you select Tron from your other wallet as well and just withdraw the amount from here. Okay. Now the other option is by selling it to convert it to your currency. Now just go ahead over to buy crypto, hit on sell right here. This is by far the easiest one. Okay. Select USDT. Max it out if you want to, or just enter the specific amount. Now receive, let's say USD. Okay. Should it be sent to your fiat wallet or no? If you wanted to withdraw at your fiat wallet, well, by all means, just click on sell USDT right here. If not, if you want to directly convert it and to be sent to your banking, okay, or bank account, well, just go ahead over to trade right here. Click on P2P. Now, P2P, sell, select USDT. Make sure that the transaction currency right here that will be used is your currency. Okay. Let's say PHP. Right here. I'm going to click on it and all of the available banks will be listed right here besides the buyer. So as you can see here for this buyer, which got this amount to pay for every USDT I have, okay? And here's the payment method that is available for this buyer. So let's say you only have Bank of the Philippine Islands or BPI. So I'm going to sell right here. Enter the amount. Okay, select the payment method. Bank of the Philippine Islands. Enter the card number, phone number, bank branch, whatever is needed. Hit on confirm. Follow simple prompts and you should be good to go. That is it. That is how you withdraw USDT from Binance. Well, I hope this video helps. I'll see you in the next one.